Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Now let's start with a new lesson in history. Unit 2 History, and the title of the lesson is Early Humans. The early humans are those who lived about 5 million years ago. They come entirely from Africa. Now let's see in detail about these early humans. Learning objectives. In this lesson, we will study about the Stone Age. The early humans started to use stones for making their tools. This period in the human history is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into three periods. They are the Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, and Neolithic period. And next we will study about the features of the Paleolithic period. Under this topic we will study about how the early humans during the Paleolithic period gathered food. And then we will study about their way of dressing, that is clothing, dwelling place, which means the shelter, the place they live in. And then we will study about the tools they used and the tool making techniques. We will also study about the discovery of fire, art, and the major Paleolithic sites. And next we will study about the Mesolithic period, and finally we will have a case study on Deccan. Children, have you all seen a dinosaur? Yes, you would have seen the dinosaurs in Hollywood science fiction movies. In those movies, you would have seen the dinosaurs along with humans, but all those are just an imagination. The dinosaurs existed on this earth, but they were not found when the human existed on earth. The dinosaurs roamed the earth about 70 million years ago, whereas the ancestors of human beings, that is our forefathers, the early humans, were believed to have lived about only 3 million years ago. So, the dinosaurs are fully destroyed before the entry of the human life into this world. Children, have you seen the picture of an early human? Yes, this is the picture of an early human. Do they look the same way as we are? No. The first humans did not look or live the way we live today. Humans are one species which has dramatically changed itself and its lifestyle. Species means living organism of same kind. So it is said that humans are the only living creature which has dramatically changed itself and also their lifestyle. So in this chapter we will study about some of the aspects of the early human beings. Human beings have been living on the earth since a long time. So human beings are said to be in this world since a long time. Scientists have found skeletons and fossils in Africa which resemble the human beings. So the scientists have found skeletons. Scientists are those persons who do research and they have found skeletons and fossils. Fossils are the remains of ancient life. And these fossils are said to resemble the human beings. And it is also said that these fossils and skeletons are about 4 to 5 million years old. These early humans are known as hominids. So those early humans, those who lived about 4 to 5 million years ago, are said to be the hominids. They are considered as ancestors of humans. Ancestors means forefathers, which means who came to this earth before. In 1974 in Ethiopia, scientists discovered the remains of a female body which was quite similar to the present human beings. So in the year 1974 in Ethiopia, Ethiopia is a country in the Africa continent, scientists discovered, that is the scientists found the skeleton of a female body. It was very similar to the present human beings. They named that remains, that is the skeleton of a female body, as Lucy. And it is said that the remains are about 3.18 million years old. And this was the oldest human remains discovered till date. It is considered that the humans took nearly 2 million years to change their form from the earlier ape-like structure. So up to this date, the remains of Lucy is said to be the oldest human remains discovered till date. And it is also said that the human beings took about 2 million years to change their form from the earlier ape-like structure. So you have seen the picture of the early humans. They had an ape-like structure. That is, ape means a mammal which lacks a tail. That is, they do not have a tail like a chimpanzee, gorilla, etc. So the early humans had a ape-like structure, and it is said that it took 2 million years for the humans to change their form from the earlier ape-like structure. Now let's have a short description on Lucy. So Lucy is the remains or the skeleton of a female body that is obtained in the year 1974 in Ethiopia, and this is considered to be the oldest human remains till date. Lucy was estimated to be about 20 years when she died. Lucy was about 20 years when she died, and scientists suspect she fell into a pond or a lake and died. She was less than 4 feet tall and she weighed about 29 grams. Human beings are an intelligent species. Species means the living creatures of same kind. So the early humans have adapted themselves to changing climatic conditions. Adapted means they became adjustable to the changing climatic conditions, and they started to move from one place to another and have spread out to various parts of the world. They moved from Africa to Europe and many far off Asian countries. And these early human migrations are said to be the earliest migrations. They learned to use the things they discovered, modified things, and invented new things to make their lives more comfortable. So they started to learn how to make use of the things they find, and they also learned how to modify those things in order to invent new things. But these developments have taken thousands of years to happen. Remains and signs of early human beings have been found at many parts of India. So even in India they have found the skeletons and the impressions of the early human beings. Most of these have been found close to the river basins, which provided a good source of water. So most of these remains are found near to the river basins. So therefore it is estimated that even the early humans would have been settled down near the river basins, such as near to the river, streams or ponds. As we all know, water is the basic need for any living creature to survive. But the human beings of this period did not know how to grow crops. So, the human beings of this early age do not know how to grow crops or how to do farming. They were essentially hunters and gatherers. So, they were hunters and gatherers. They used to find and collect things. This means they used to either hunt for their food or gather it from their surroundings. During this time, they developed tools for the purpose of hunting, cutting, or digging things from the ground. So they made their own tools in order to hunt or to dig things from the ground. They started to use stones for making their tools, and therefore, this period in the human history is known as the Stone Age. Stone Age. So, the early humans started to make their own tools by the use of stones. So, therefore, that period was said to be the Stone Age. Stone Age can be divided into three periods based on the quality of stones they used to make their tools. They are the Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, and the Neolithic period. Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period is also known as the Old Stone Age. It lasted from 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE. As you can see in the timeline here, the Paleolithic period lasted from 5 lakh BCE to 10,000 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. It is also called as before Christ. The word Paleolithic is taken from the Greek word paleo, which means old, and lithos, which means stone, and hence it got the name Old Stone Age. Features of the Paleolithic period. Food gatherers. In this stage, humans were nomads and food gatherers. So during the Paleolithic period, the humans were nomads. Nomads means they moved from one place to another, and food gatherers. They used to collect the foods. They did not stay at one place, and they kept moving from one place to another in search of food. They moved in groups, they killed animals and ate raw meat. So they killed the animals and they ate raw meat. Raw meat means uncooked meat. As they don't know how to grow crops, they ate the root of plants, wild fruits, nuts, seeds, etc. that grew naturally, because they did not know how to grow food. After the food sources of the place would exhaust due to hunting and gathering, they moved to a new place. So when the food source in that particular place got finished, they will move to the new place. Thus, they traveled far and wide in search of food. Clothing. They used the leaves or bark of the trees and furs of animals to cover their bodies. Bark means it is the outer sheet of the trunk or branches of a tree, and fur means it is the hair of certain animals. So they used the leaves, bark, and the fur in order to cover their body. Dwelling place. Dwelling place means the shelter, that is the place where they live in. Early humans used to live on trees or in caves. Caves provided shelter from heat and rain and protected them from wild animals. So these early humans used to live in trees or in caves. Tools. They used stone tools. Some tools made from bones of animals have also been found at number of places. So the humans during the Paleolithic period used stone tools, as we have already seen, and most of these stone tools are also made of bones of animals. These tools of that period are crude. Crude means they are not fully completed and they are simple and they are not of very good quality. So the tools which were used by the humans of the Paleolithic period have been found in places like Rewa, Bandhalkhand, Kurnool and Madhya Pradesh in India. So the various types of tools which were found are knives, axes, spears, stone hammers, scrapers and digging tools. Most of the stone tools were made of flint. Flint is a type of hard rock. So it can easily break into pieces and is thus convenient to shape. So therefore it can be easily sharpened. Tools such as spears and arrows were used to hunt and skin the animals. So the tools such as spears and arrows were used for hunting and also to peel off the skin of the animals. They were also used to cut the roots and fruits. These tools were also used to scrap the bark of the trees. That is, they are used to remove the bark of the trees and also to dig the ground to get the roots of the plant to eat. So we have already seen that they eat the roots of the plants. So these tools were very useful to them in order to dig the ground and to get the roots. So children, in today's session, we started a new lesson in history and the lesson is early humans. In this lesson, we studied about what is meant by Stone Age. So the early humans started to make use of the stones for making their tools, and therefore this period in the human history is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age was divided into three periods, namely the Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period and Neolithic period. And next we started with the Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period is also known as the Old Stone Age. We studied about the features of the Paleolithic period. Under this topic, we covered the topics like food gatherers, clothing, dwelling place, and tools. So in the next session, we will start with the tool making techniques, discovery of fire, art, and also the major Paleolithic sites. Thank you, children.